Hey everybody, today we're playing one of my favorite games by Atari, one of the old-fashioned games. It's called Missile Command. Let's talk about how you play it, and then let's go ahead and play it. Basically, the way this game works is a lot of things are coming down from outer space, and you have three little hubs that have a certain number of bullets that you use to shoot lasers up to knock all the lasers coming at you out of the sky, and you need to protect your 6 cities. So, here are your 6 cities that you're protecting. And you need to use your finger to just touch it. It shoots a laser up and you get it. More lasers are coming. Touch it and we continue to shoot them. What you need to do is always get the laser in front, and you don't have to shoot one at a time. It becomes a really frenetic game as you're shooting multiple things. You almost want to anticipate where they're going. Some are going fast, some are going slow. There's a limited number of bullets. When one of them hits one of your bases down here, you are out. So you also can be out of bullets, so you don't want to do that either. So at this point, I am running out of bullets, but it's okay. I am doing it for the purposes of this tutorial. Also, if one lands on your ammo base, you lose all that ammo. You don't want to do that either. Now, in this recharge version, it doesn't really have you run out of bullets. Whoops, I didn't get hit there. I better start speeding up. There's also all kinds of aircraft coming in. I am just pressing to sort of... I'm out of bullets down there. Uh-oh. And now I am out of bullets. Am I out of bullets? Nope, I'm not out of bullets. And I've already lost several bases. This is not a very good demonstration, kids. We only have one base left. I still have bullets coming down. Uh-oh. Come on, kids. I think I'm about to... And now I have no more bullets, 1 base left, and 0 bases left. I'm dead. That was a great game when I was a kid. I highly recommend playing it. It's a lot of fun. Hopefully you can be better than I can.